Run it off. I wake up. Yeah.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to a new video. So today I got a little special video for you guys. We're gonna be comparing the iPhone 11 Pro to my DSLR. So everything I use today, everything that you guys have questions as far as what it is, where I get it, I have a kit link down below. It'll answer all your questions if you're interested in picking up some of the stuff that I use today. So shout out to YouTube demonetization review staff. Please do not demonetize this video. We're on glorified scooters here. They are street legal though, 100% safe, not promoting dangerous activities. Please, 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 please.
Don't make me beg here.
We're gonna take a break, let everyone assemble, and then we'll pick it up on the road with some pictures and comparison iPhone to DSLR. We'll be back. All right, so this is what we got just to do this iPhone 11 versus DSLR video. Should be fun. What the f are you doing? Handicap Honda Civic trying to take us out. All right, there we go. Oh shit. All right, no road rage today. So we're heading north, so we're going down a pretty busy road right here, but we're gonna get to out in the sticks, and then I'm gonna take these phones out, or this phone out, and the DSLR, and we'll start knocking out some of these shots and comparisons. But right now, let me just go ahead and give you a friendly reminder: hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. It does help the channel out, and if you want to throw a like, I appreciate that as well. Wow. He's mad he owns a minivan. We've made it one block. We got a minivan that's mad and a handicapped lady that's gonna smack us with her cane. Getting out of the city. What the f? Jesus Christ. Pterodactyl trying to kill him. Thanksgiving came late. What the? I have no handbrake. I think my handbrake has exploded. I got no pressure in my handbrake. Is it squirting?
Broke your line.
Oh shit. Alright, so my handbrake line has burnt to my exhaust. The good news is I just ordered some from Moto. These are like the Thailand ones that come with Dark Knight Street. So, whatever. Let's try to take some photos. Alright, I'm going to attempt to take some photos. It's the wide angle lens. Let's see if we can do it. So I'm using this new app called Moment. I haven't really dived into it. I got to learn how to kind of play with the settings a little bit on the road. Trying to take iPhone photos. Hey, do it again. I want to take some photos with the big camera. All right, now with the DSLR. Well, iPhone photo of Lewis. And that's great. Nope. All right, I don't think this is going to be too much of a comparison, apples to apples. So you guys have seen my DSLR shot. So I guess we're just going to call this iPhone 11 Pro. Can it shoot the same as a DSLR? Yeah. We'll go with that. Let's do a couple more iPhone photos. So the tricky part here with the iPhone is with the iOS 13, I think it is, for the iPhone 11 Pro, they relocated the shutter hold button. With the new iOS, they changed it so you have to hit the shutter button on the screen and then drag up. It's kind of stupid. But the Moment app allows you not only to obviously control the camera in its entirety with exposure, ISO, EV comp, all that stuff, but you can also hold the volume button to get yourself a burst photo, which is exactly what we need. All right, let's put the iPhone away because it's locked right now and I have a bad feeling I'm gonna drop this guy trying to unlock it. Take a couple of DSLR shots. Well, somebody by me. As soon as somebody's by me, I'll take a couple DSLR shots. The good thing about DSLR, it's just very easy to change the shutter, change the ISO. Everything's just a button or a switch or a knob. Everything's very easy to kind of do on the go. So right now I was shooting at 320, but I want to be at I want to be a little slower for motion blur, so it's very easy for me just to slide the knob down and I can get in there. With that being said, the Moment app does allow you to lock in settings, so if you have like a certain shutter speed for rollers, you can do that before you head off for the day or while you're riding at a stoplight or something like that. Everyone's just passing me. So there are, I think, workarounds once you get used to your tool, which, you know, the iPhone or the DSLR are both tools to making photos. So once you get used to anything, I think it becomes a little bit easier. Jeez, I'm so slow. Bye-bye. Oh, someone lost a water bottle. Don't hit me. wow. Okay. I do not promote that dangerous activity, YouTube mods. I think it's stuck behind somebody. You gotta draft. I'm gonna try this one right here. Stuck. Yep. Nope, he's gone. Alright, fuck it. I think Lewis is still back there. So, yeah. Hey, I'm back. Little break at the Fly-In J. Some people need some gas. Alright, visor down. We're gonna get beat up. Let's see what's going on with this brake line. So burn. So yeah, I should have zip tied this. Anyway, I put this bracket back on after going off road in that Crume, and I routed this down. Usually goes up. That was kind of stupid, but this just kind of burnt against that. You got one? Please, Jesse, please. I got no handbrake. I can't wheelie.
Zip tie that when we
yeah, I know. I forgot. I bought a Quormoto line. Thanks, man. I'll just do it to my shock. All right, we're gonna take a little break. What's Lewis doing? You learned how to play Apex? Finally. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? Fucking ran my toe over. You ran my toe over, bro. I'm wearing Converse. Fucking Lewis, bro. Alright, we're back underway. Huh. Alright, more iPhone shots. Maybe. I'm gonna try to bring my shutter down a little bit now that I have control. 1/100? Sure, let's try that. Good off me, Lewis, using that 0.5 on the iPhone. Very dark in here, some shadows, but we'll take it. See how the low light works. Jesus. Okay. Just some regular rollers there. See how that shutter looks. Oh yeah, we're getting a little motion blur. I definitely got to make some settings. So it's like weird with the Moment app. It's doing like 1/116th or no, 1/116 or 1/116, whatever that is. 1/116th instead of 1/125. So that's like a normal shutter speed or 1/100. It's real weird. There might be a way to change that in the app. I gotta see. Couple behind the shots. Let's try to get some shots of Brandon. That's 1/157. I can't even say it. It's such an unnatural shutter speed. Let's see what that looks like. These might be pretty good. A couple of shots there with the iPhone 11 Pro. If I can get up here, I want to do a front shot of everybody just to compare. Hey, hold on. Let me do like a shot, a Photogromer shot, you know? Damn it, Brandon. Let's try. Get out of the way, bro. Pronounce the lane, bro. Alright, Photogromer shot here. Burnouts are lame. So I've noticed that you have to hold the bottom volume down button and put your hand as low as you can right here. It's kind of the only way to not get your hand in the shot with that 0.5 ultra wide angle lens. Problem is you got to grip it, you got to hold it so you don't fall. I thought about putting a pop socket on here, but I feel like that will bring my hand way too close to the lens and it'll be in the shot anyway. So I'm just gripping it with my finger just like I would a phone, and then thumb on the volume down button. Seems to be working. And using my quad lock mounting system here to kind of slap it back on the bars, leaving the screen unlocked. That way I can access it pretty quickly. Love the quad lock, so easy to put the phone back on. Couple low shots. Trying to keep them centered so it's not so distorted. Let's get a couple of Lewis. Let's try to go slow on this one. 1/60th. A little slower on Lewis. One from the front. That's so close. I was looking at the screen and then I looked up, his wheel was right there. That is stupid close. So what do you guys think as far as the iPhone photos? Do you think it's a plausible way to take some photos? Would you guys be mad if I switched to iPhone Pro photos only? What's up, man? What? Hot dogs. Hot dog time. Oh, Lewis, not in front of the real bikers. Oh, Lewis, you can't do that here. All right, Coney Island driving in Brooksville. Apparently, not confirmed, but apparently Elvis ate here once upon a time. All right, guys, we're going to take a break here. In fact, I'm going to end the video, but let me know what you guys think. Does the iPhone 11 Pro hold up to the DSLR? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. It's time for some hot dogs. Boop.